Stop whatever you're doing. It's finally time you found out the secret of how the millionaires make their money. Congratulations, your invitation has been accepted and you're one of only a few people that'll ever get a chance to see this video. One of only a few people to be given the chance to generate life-changing profits like this.
I was lucky enough to get early access to the $1 Million Replicator in January. And since then, I've made over $80,000 each month. And I'm well on my way to my first million. Well, 872,426 to be exact. This has been the answer to my prayers.
The $1 Million Replicator is absolutely mind-blowing. I've been using it as a beta tester for just over a year and have now made $1.2 million. I was skeptical when I first heard about it, but it is the real deal. It has completely changed my life.
I've been using the $1 Million Replicator for the past 2 months while at college, and in that time I've made $163,591. I'm planning to drop out of college and travel the world for a year. You need to get involved if you still can. It'll change your life.
But before we go any further, I'm going to reveal the truth about how you could be potentially living a life of luxury after watching this video. A life of luxury which will allow you to live in exotic locations around the world, drive fancy sports cars, have that dream mansion you've always wanted, and more importantly, that'll allow you to make a consistent online income every month by using the $1 Million Replicator. I know what you're probably thinking, and no, this isn't one of those sales videos where I tell you about the latest e-commerce, Bitcoin, MLM, or internet marketing get-rich-quick scam that can make you millions of dollars in a matter of seconds or some other such BS. This is not one of those tacky videos full of hype and nonsense designed to swindle you out of your hard-earned cash. This video isn't like that, but it does have the potential to change your life and bring in a regular income from the internet. I'll even put a guarantee on this right now. If you don't reach your personal income goals once you have access to the $1 Million Replicator, I'll personally refund every cent of your money. Hi, my name is Michael Sachs and I'm the creator and founder of the $1 Million Replicator. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the chance to get access to this program so you can have the chance to start earning a life-changing income. If you're looking to earn as much as $100,000 per month, then this is going to be the most important video you'll ever watch. In fact, if you watch this short 5-minute video until the end, I'm going to show you exactly how I've used the $1 Million Replicator to become a millionaire inside the space of a year. You're probably thinking, yeah, right, I call BS. Well, it's time to stop the BS and show you some straight up facts and back them up with some solid proof. This morning, this system allowed me to generate serious online profits. And that's the same kind of money I've made every single day of this month, which has allowed my bank balance to grow to an extremely healthy amount. Just think how easy your life could be if you had access to this kind of money. You'll be 100% stress-free without a care in the world, and more importantly, you'll be free. Free from everything you've been trying to get away from. Free from all those crippling debts and loans. Free from the car payments you've been struggling to meet each month. Free from the mortgage and rent payments you struggle to pay off each month. Free from all the costs of bringing up your kids and all the rest of the struggles that come along with being an adult with no real assets or cash in the bank. The $1 Million Replicator is something that has allowed me to live a life of luxury for the past 3 years on complete autopilot. Yes, that's right. I make all that money and I don't have to do a single thing. I sit back and let the money come in automatically while I'm at the restaurant eating, while I'm walking on the beach with my beautiful wife, and best of all, while I'm asleep. If you can see this page, it means your private invitation has been accepted to use the $1 Million Replicator. It means we believe you're the perfect fit to use the $1 Million Replicator to reap the kind of profits we're currently enjoying. Let me explain how the Replicator works. The $1 Million Replicator system has been created and refined by myself and a group of my friends who are digital marketers, programmers, and statisticians from a number of top firms around the world. We've been able to create a system that identifies the most lucrative opportunities and then replicates them for you in your account. In this way, all of the hard work's done for you, and the system is basically 100% automated. This gives you the opportunity to replicate my daily profits of up to $22,741.66 in the first week of use and up to $1,038,656.43 in the first year. As the Replicator searches out guaranteed profits and replicates these for you, it's the first system of its kind that offers you the potential to make these kinds of life-altering profits. Outrageous claims, you may think, right? But as you'll see, they're both outrageous and completely true. As you can imagine, this is a huge deal in the online world and has the potential to turn the market upside down, which is exactly why me and my circle of insider friends are keeping this secret tightly locked down. And so far, we've done this very successfully. In fact, since we discovered this system 2 years ago, not a single soul outside our syndicate has heard of this. Not even a single wife or girlfriend. That's how tightly guarded this secret has been. But now, after close consultation with my partners, we've decided to make some changes. To be honest, we've all already made huge amounts of money over the last couple of years. As you can imagine, with this kind of system, it's just too easy. We leave the Replicator system running 24/7 and the money just pours in around the clock. I personally have had to open up 3 new bank accounts just to spread the profits around. Now, waking up in the morning and seeing that I've made $3,000 overnight doesn't even excite me anymore. So, we've decided that as we've had our fill, it's time we shared this life-changing system with the rest of the world. After all, it's a great feeling to make $1 million in a year, but it's an even better feeling to help Joe Bloggs, who works in the local supermarket, make $1 million. Okay. Unless you have no interest whatsoever in financial freedom and living the good life, I'm sure I have your attention now. So the next thing you must be asking yourself is, how can I get access to the Replicator? Well, that part is almost as amazing as the system itself. All you have to do is fill in your information in the box you see on this page and pay a tiny one-time fee to access the system. Yes, that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. By simply filling in your details in the box right on this page and paying the small one-time fee, you will gain full lifetime access to the VIP members area, where you will get immediate access to the $1 million Replicator. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste this opportunity. Can you really live with yourself for squandering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity like this? If you're like most people who are not making real money, it's because you don't take action. Don't let this be another occasion where you missed the boat. Take action now and seize your chance for wealth and financial freedom. You're one of the lucky ones to have been given this invitation to use the $1 million Replicator. If you're ready to join us and have the chance to feel the thrill of earning up to $1 million a year in pure profits, then fill in your details on this page and I'll see you inside the members area. Just click the button you see on this page and you could be on your way to earning a ridiculous amount of money starting today. We wouldn't want you to miss out on this opportunity. This is your time to shine. Fill in your details and I'll see you in the members area. Do it now. You deserve this. Fill in your details now and I'll see you inside the members area.